Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on silver to gold in Photoshop. First we go to the select magic tool from the toolbar and selection the words. Select a lasso tool. Alter key, decrease selection. Click on the adjust icon, select solid color and choose a gold color. Then go to the image menu, adjust to inverts. Normal to color. Select brush tool, follow the setting. And remove this area. Click on the adjust icon, choose curve. And adjust the opacity. Now we convert silver to gold. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.